Alright guys, today in this station you're going to be adding vocabulary words to your ISN. And so what we've done is for Unit 1 vocabulary, we've already made them for you so that you have a sample to follow. So what you need to do is grab your paper, you're going to cut it out and glue it on page 169 in your glossary. So that front page of your glossary. Once you have that glued in, we can now start on our Unit 2 vocabulary. So I've already done my Unit 1 vocabulary. I'm going to turn to the next page and I'm going to do Unit 2 on the back side of Unit 1. To do our vocabulary, we want to make sure we have 3 sections on our ISN. And so you need to draw with a ruler, please, 3 sections in your ISN. So with 3 columns, we then can add the rows. We expect you guys to try to get 5 words, 5 different vocabulary words on each page. In order to do that, you want to make sure you have 6 lines. So I'm going to take my ruler and count down 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and draw a line. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. You guys should be completing this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, and you'll have some extra space down at the bottom. Okay, when you do your unit vocabulary, you want to include, you'll be given a handout for each vocabulary unit. You'll be given a handout which will give you the word and the definition. So we want to make sure we title what unit this is. So I'm going to write Unit 2 vocabulary. Okay, and our first word is the word atom. Please make sure that you spell it correctly on in your glossary. I'm then going to use the definition and copy it exactly how it is on my handout into my ISN. So this says it's the smallest particle of an element that maintains the properties of that element. Okay, so I have the word, the definition, and now I need to create a symbol or an icon or a picture, something that's going to help me remember the definition for that word. And so for atom, I'm just going to draw a nucleus, and I'm going to put some circles in there because later on I will find out that there will be protons in there and neutrons, and then I'm going to draw some circles around it and also include some electrons. And as you can see, I'm not an artist, but I get the point. I can see that the symbol is going to help me remember the definition, that it's the smallest particle of an element that maintains the properties of that element. And that's it.